Hi guys, it is Thursday, April 2nd. Here is our daily decision making for the day. I'm going to read the directions and then we'll go from there. Read about Sam. Circle the good social skills Sam shows. Sam is always patient when joining a game. He patiently watches his friends play a video game. When the game ended, he politely asked to play. When he wins the game, he is still polite. So you're going to circle the good social skills. He waits for a turn, rude, brag, quiet, does not brag about winning, and takes turns. Also, talk to your parent or supervisor about some of the ways that you yourself can show good social skills. If you can think of one, give your parent or supervisor an example, and then go ahead and log into the problem-solving module and submit your work. Have a great day. It's almost Friday.